What a sight to behold! SpaceX Starship lifting off in Texas. Powered by 33 engines, the world's largest rocket, a test mission for future flights to the moon. SpaceX employees cheered as their $3 billion baby headed into outer space.
The thunderous roar of that rocket ship was absolutely stunning.
But 4 minutes in,
it does appear to be spinning.
Disaster. The rocket starts to spin, then disintegrates in a spectacular explosion. You can hear everyone groan. Starship is no more. So is it a massive failure or a huge success, as some rocket scientists are saying?
I see history being made.
We spoke to physicist Dr. Michio Kaku.
There's a new vision, a new vision. We're just not going to the moon. This rocket will take us to Mars. This rocket will take us to Jupiter and Saturn. We're talking about an interplanetary Uber system. This is a speed bump on the way to the moon.
SpaceX and Twitter boss Elon Musk was in the command center watching his $3 billion rocket go up in smoke. He's putting a positive spin on the failure, tweeting, "Learned a lot for next test launch in a few months."
Boing. Boing. Boing.